It wasn't that long ago that I genuinely thought I hated mopping my floors, but it turns out it wasn't the mopping itself, it was the fucking mop. When my family helped install these tiles 7 years ago, never did I think they'd be so frustrating to keep clean. Anyone with textured tile will tell you that, because they trap dirt like a motherfucker. Anyways, over the years, I guess you could kind of say I was something like Goldilocks, trying out different tools until I found the one that was just right, especially for my neurospicy ass, because I struggle with executive dysfunction, and I mean often. I just wanted something easy, that's it, you know, like I didn't want much, I didn't need anything fancy. But traditional mops like the O-Cedar and the spin brush you see here, the back pain, the wrist pain, it's the reason I would only clean my floors like once or twice a year. That is until I came across this mop last year. I am not sponsored by the brand, so I'm literally just telling you guys that switching to this steam mop has changed my life, quite literally. Because of the hella attachments it comes with, you can use it for your stove, oven, floors, walls, windows, baseboard, shower, and even your grout. It heats up and it's ready to clean in 15 seconds. Sticky spots don't stand a chance, and it eliminates all the elbow grease you'd have to use with traditional mops and the pain that comes with that. This 7-in-1 steam mop is honestly going to be your best friend this summer while you try to keep the house clean with the kids home, or throw some family cookouts, or just do some much needed deep cleaning that you've been putting off. Now y'all, I work really hard to create content that supports my fellow neurospicies, so if you made it this far and you don't mind helping a girl out, would you mind tagging someone you know that could use this? Making cleaning more accessible has changed my life, and I just know it can change a lot more. I appreciate you watching, I thank you for being here, and I cannot recommend this mop enough. Please ask me questions if you have any. I love you.